Hey, welcome to Cooking with Kenny G. Now I'm going to show you something super quick here. It is summertime. Everybody loves blueberries. I'm going to show you how to make a super quick, super easy blueberry sauce. So let's get after it. Small pot on the stove, medium heat. I've got 2 cups of fresh blueberries here. Just pour them in the pot. And then what I want to do is slightly heat those up, and I'm going to release a little bit of the juices that are inside of there. This is only going to take about 2 minutes, maybe a little bit less. Blueberries are heating up now. You can hear them sizzling away. I'm just going to add in about 2 tablespoons or about 60 mils of water in there. Also got a tablespoon of sugar in here. That's optional if you want, if you don't want to add too much sweetness in there. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of lemon juice. That's fresh lemon juice, by the way. Now what that will do, it just adds to a little bit of the brightness of it and really brings out that summery blueberry flavor. I'm just gonna let that cook for another minute or so. Just gonna break those blueberries down a little bit. Then we're gonna put in the cornstarch in there. Cook the cornstarch out. Boom, you're done. 5 minutes maybe, you got yourself a blueberry sauce. There we go, that's been simmering for about a minute now. It's pulled out some of the color. Now I didn't mash up the blueberries too much because I want to leave a little bit of texture in there. This is a teaspoon of cornstarch and I have about a tablespoon. It doesn't really matter that much about the water. Not too much water, just enough to make the cornstarch liquid. Now make sure you use cold water too. Cornstarch and hot water don't go well together. It's very hard to mix, so use cold water. Just pour it into the boiling blueberry mixture there, stir it around. We're gonna let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, just till that cornstarch texture is cooked out. And I don't want it super thick either. I want it to have a little bit of viscosity to it. There's a nice word for you. Turn it down if it's boiling too much. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see. And that's it, finished. There it is. Look at that. A little bit of thickness, but not too much. Now you'll be able to put that on ice cream, on a cheesecake, and that's it. Just take that off the stove, let it cool down. All right, there it is. We are done. That was super quick, super easy. Blueberry sauce. Nothing tastes like summer like a blueberry sauce. Make sure you cool it down before you eat it. As you can see, this is still very hot. It lasts for at least a week up in the fridge. Guarantee you're gonna eat it before a week goes by. So there it is. Thanks again for watching. Now hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna put a link in there for a beautiful, fresh, summertime blueberry cheesecake too. So there it is, blueberry sauce, super simple. Thanks again. Bye for now.